Greetings and salutations, fellow mortal denizens, and welcome back to Slenderman Plays Bayonetta. I'm your eldritch entity known as Slenderman, and I shall be your guide through this nasty route we find ourselves in. Last episode, we had a surprising boss encounter with a tentacled angel. Weird sentence, I know, but is what it is. This episode, we are on the highway to Vigrid, Route 666.
That bridge in these hills?
Seems like it, honey.
I can call a cab to get me to the island.
Or you could just, use that panther thing. Hmm? Oh, it's Luca and Cereza, I think. Guess we're really pumping the brakes. Go, come on! Wow, that's one fast vehicle. She's really going. In heels, no less. That's how you... There you go. And she sticks the landing. Literally. It's a heart-shaped door, no less. Oh, bless. God, leave it to her to be absolutely stunning and graceful.
Did you see that?
Yep.
I told you there was nothing to worry about.
Mummy saved us.
Hello there, Cheshire.
Shit!
Because of course.
It seems your driving is on par with your journalism.
She's always got a quick whip for him.
But the guards had another idea, didn't they? Not really my best plan, huh?
No,
You
not
think
really.
You've got me figured out, don't you?
We journalists have to have some detective skills, you know.
Well, you
You're
suck.
after a gemstone, and that stone has to be in the Ithavoll group building. I'm headed there too.
Oh.
How odd. You seem to know where I'm going before I do.
Interesting.
Yet you don't seem to know how to drive a car in a straight line.
What am I? A chauffeur?
Yes, you are.
Do you have any idea what prolonged walking in this salty air will do to my hair?
Damage it to
I
heck.
tend to use some product when I go to the beach.
You're gonna need a good product for this shit.
Little one, get down!
Yeah, that's not good. Missile
Put
inbound.
your foot down, Cheshire. I'll take care of our pest problem.
Wonderful.
Did you really think it was gonna be that easy, Luca? Oh, we've got angels to worry about too, on top of all that.
I'm getting the distinct impression I'm not wanted on that island. But I love it when people play hard to get.
Oh, god damn it, you are something else. Oh, I can go straight for a torture attack. No complaints there. That makes life a whole lot easier. Oh, and witch time on top of that. Man, I'm on a roll. Punish the heck out of you. I'm just gonna... Well, that certainly made things easy, didn't it? Okay, so that does damage you slightly. Okay, so can we deflect those bullets? Let's try it. Nope, deflection is out of the question. Nope, definitely not. Okay, so how in the flying frickadoodles are we supposed to do this? Maybe witch time? No, just really well placed movements. That seems to be working just fine here. Nope, that was a bad idea. Okay, so... turning into a crow certainly helps me get to where I need to go. That was quite the good upgrade I bought. So definitely glad I got that. Oh, there they go. Now deal with the ones back there. Thank goodness for flight. It would also be good if I actually landed. Okay, make sure you're actually above the thing. And land there. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, get over there. Thank you. Nicely done, Bayonetta. The only reason I've taken damage is because these things are actually hard to get to, or I've landed terribly on the road. Okay, now you're toast. Yeah, I lost all my health, and I completely blame my lack of ability here. That is entirely my fault. Whoa! At least stopping. Oh great, it's the clones. Oh! Sheesh! Well, it wasn't the angels that ended the witch hunts. It was a goddamn semi-truck. Was not ready for that one, no siree, Bob. That was a hell of a way to go. Oh, that was something. Not ready for that. But of course they're going to be cheap and throw 3 of these things at you at once. You know, because one wasn't enough. They have to make it harder for you now that you've fought one of them. Hey, I did not need to get run over by a catty. Yeah, there's only one Bayonetta in this place, ladies. And you're looking at her. So piss off! That was perfectly timed. At least once I get rid of this one thing out, the other one's gonna be easy as pie. Yep, that'll do some damage. Screw you! You especially can piss off. Taste the gravel beneath my heels, bitch. We're about to get freaking slaughtered. That takes care of that bitch. Jeez, nothing but silvers this time around. I'm doing terribly. Here comes the truck that's explode. Hello. Irenic? Really? I have to fight a car now? A fucking car? Really? Uh-oh-oh. Oh, okay. No complaints. Okay. So we've actually got controls for this thing. Okay. Okay, which one of these do I feel more comfortable? I'm more comfortable with this control scheme. Yes. Let's go. Wait, why am I not? Okay, hold up. Oh, no. No, thank you. I'll do this the old-fashioned way. Thank you very much. Yes. I'd rather have control over this thing, not die. A and X for the guns. Ooh, this is definitely fun. This is not what I anticipated today. I did not think I would be... Ooh! Good dodge. Okay. Hey, ooh! Jesus Christ. Been a while since I've had to ride a motorcycle. Close one. Over there. Rid of your... Yeah, it's hard to see. I don't know how they expect me to handle this. So take it easy. Take one step at a time. Oh, jeez. Okay, careful. Oh, you're screwed. Okay, this thing is a little hard to control. A little bit difficult to get the hang of this. Oh. Did I just run that thing over by its leg? Did I get stuck on the... How did that happen? Okay. Whoa! Hit the tires, but still did fairly well, I suppose. Okay, still alive. I'm just now noticing when you're low on health, these little claw hands just kind of sprout. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Just loop. Are we looping right now? It seems that way. Whoa! I got witch control? Really? On a goddamn motorbike? Okay, this is not how I anticipated the day going today. Oh, it is raining now. Like, freaking Luya, it is raining. Just have enough for a torture attack. I can even survive this. There's bullets flying everywhere. Mostly from me. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is not... Okay. I know what I'm titling this episode. Motorcycles. Literally, because I'm on one. Okay. So I'm guessing we have to take care of these guys. I think that's the whole point of this whole section. Dodge the everlasting hell out of them. Oh. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna plan them for that. Okay. Is this like a race? Is this like a lap system race? I love it. She's able to drive this thing without worrying and still shoot her guns like the proper badass she is. We're on a racetrack. On a goddamn racetrack. Hey, dodge that. It's a witch time in this bitch. Witch time in this bitch time. Okay, here we go. Oh, man. This is not what I anticipated happening today. This is just not even the slightest bit concerned for my health here. Whoa, jeez. Oh, well, born to be wild, man. Whoa. Okay. What the fucking shit? How long is this track? I don't want to take damage from hitting that one crack. Watch out! Tire. I can even admit to that one. Ooh. Oh. How much more is there to this? I have like no health left. I'm not going to be able to survive much longer. Okay. You know, it'd be nice if perhaps they could give you some help. Survive all this. Or at least keep you in the loop of how far you are in this thing. Going into a fourth tunnel. Also need to kill here or what? Okay. Health would be nice right about now. Ooh. Also good, I think. Oh. Last. Goodbye. Okay, is there any checkpoint up ahead that will help me survive this absolute crap? How am I still alive? How? How am I still alive? I don't care. I'm gonna make it through this thing! You know, I wish they'd had this earlier. Fuck. The very least it takes you back a bit. Oh, Nikes. Okay. They say what the heck I'm getting into now. Jump! Oh, your life. Dodge under the thing or to the side of it. I don't care how you do. Oh, crap. Oh, my God. Careful now. Careful. You need to stay alive here. The cars are going absolutely apeshit. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Okay, how was I supposed to predict that? At least it takes you back a fair bit. Okay, so stay to the freaking right, it seems. Okie dokie. Did I just break that with my braking? What the? Excuse you! Fucking excuse you! What gives you the right? What gives you the goddamn right? Excuse you! No, I say no to that entirely. What the hell happened there? I rated on there. Screw you. This is on wonky motorcycle chase. Fuck off. Oh! I was not ready for that. Oh, shit. Woo! Okay, now watch me die in 10 seconds. Probably. This game is trying to murder me. Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me with this shit. Oh, no way I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna die. Whoop. Right on the railings of a bridge. This is exactly how I wanted to spend a Sunday afternoon. Is it even gonna be a Sunday when it's uploaded? Whoa! Jump over the fucking thing! Let's run a quick time event. Okay. And yet somehow all that walked to the fucking platinum! How the fuck? Oh, that's funny. Yeah, holy crap indeed. I'm still trying to figure that out.
Right, turn right. Get off the road.
Yes, listen to the woman with magic hair. Just trying to perform a rider kick at this point.
I know you don't want me here, but you really could have been more subtle about it.
Oh, what are you? You're new. I'm gonna die to you in 10 seconds. Braves. Oh boy, here we go. And it's a time battle too, no less. Mother... Oh, there went that. Told you it'd be 10 seconds. Alright, let's try this again. I ain't giving these bastards the time of day. Boom! You sneaky bitch. Hey, whoa! There we go. Now we're dodging with power. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Careful! What? Oh, you've got to be shitting me. They can combine into one. Ah, it's kind of unfair. At least I can smack the ever loving piss out of them. I only got 3 minutes to take this thing out. I did not mean to turn into bird. Bird transformation was not warranted. But it was hunting. Oh my god, how do you fuck off? I'm stunned. Hit the back, hit the back. Blow on its backside. Ooh, that's one way to blow its backside. Oh, just kick it in the back. Hey, whoa! Oh, yeah, shnikes. Shnikes! Oh, shnikes! Oh, shit! Oh, dodge that shit! Oh, no. You're about to get kicked in the face! Literally in the face. I would prefer it if you died. Alright. No, no. You're about to get kicked right in the teeth. Well, that did it. Gold! Somehow... How am I getting better at this as I'm doing particularly worse? How does that work? Oh, what the... Okay, that was the end of the chapter. That could be worse. It's got bronze. Can't complain there. Had I not gotten 2 silvers at the beginning, I might have had a better run of things. Okay, it's time for angel attack. Time to make some money. Okay, so... Oh, darn it, I thought I could kill him. 40 points. Let's go for a blue witch heart. You never know. I mean, hey, I've got enough of these freaking halos to suffice buying a bank. So where are we going now? A bunch of building blocks. Okay, so I guess tune in next time as we go to Paradiso. Okay, so let's save and call today here then. Next time as we head for the Paradise of Angels. Wasn't expecting that, but there it is. Still then, thank you all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and a comment in the boxes below. Let me know your favourite moments from this episode. Also be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure all notifications are turned on. That way you know when I am further tormenting myself with the angels. Also share this video around to continue to support is greatly appreciated. And of course, a very special thanks to the Tier 2 and Tier 3 Patreon supporters. Those being 5-Way Dragon, Cinemageddon Reviews, Steve Moran, Hannah McGee, Evelina Grimilion, Hitsuno Kuradento, Honor Higgins, Aisha88, Jizababo 6, Jizzy Alvarez, Mighty Chlorifite, Nakioki, Sethran Dotson, Mimi Peach, William Christopher Warren, Izuka 610, Sonic Destroyer 12, Sunshine 21, Boss Becker, Dorian Jean, Peter Sanchez, Z, D1 14, and Nicole, Michaela Donnelly, Panda 5, Princess Funnybone, Ruby the Wolf, Soul Fox MC, Intimate Recluse, and a major special thanks goes out to Patreon and Nicole for selecting the series for me to play. If you'd like to support the Patreon family, as well as get videos 24 hours in advance, exclusive Let's Plays, and a chance to Let's Play for this channel, like this one, check the link in the description below to our Patreon. And with all that said, this has been Slenderman, chilling in Paradiso, and I will see you all next time. Toodles!